Three words. First word. Bless. Sit. Oh, sorry.
Storya po ito. Usap.
Time.
What's that?
Third word. Time. On. Guest on. Guest on time. Oh, someday. Follow on time.
Yes, wala na na.
Three words. First word. Two syllable. Going. Going. Go. Going. Come here. Coming. Walking. Running. Going. Let's go. Second word, please. Second word. Second word, pila ka syllable? One syllable. Ako, me. You. You. You.
Ano lang.
Tagalog.
Third word, be third word.
Third word. Attend. Agenda. First word. Turn. Follow your agenda. Follow your agenda.
Ang grammar.
Follow the agenda.
Okay.